Hello guys, today we are going to learn about how to create a project in Google Cloud, and also I will explain something about Google Cloud SDK. To get started, open Google and type Google Cloud. Select the first URL. If you are new to this Google Cloud platform, you will get access to this Google Cloud services for 1 year for free, and you have to just enter your credit card or debit card details, and you will be not charged unless until for 1 year. This credit card or debit card information is collected only for future payments, so do not worry about entering using your debit card or credit card details. So select this get started for free button. Select your country and select terms of services checkbox and enter continue. You will be redirected to your form. You will be redirected to your form where you have to enter your personal details and credit card or debit card details. Your card details for payment verification. You will be not charged, just 1 rupee will be charged, and even that 1 rupee will be refunded back to your account. So do not worry about using your credit card or debit card details. If you do not enter your payment details, you can't get access to these free services, free Google Cloud services. Whatever I have said, the same thing has been explained over here. We ask you for your credit card to make sure you are not a robot, and you will be not charged unless you manually upgrade to a paid account. So do not worry to enter the credit card or debit card details, and after successful payment verification, you will be redirected to Google Cloud Console. Now, after your payment verification has been done, you will be redirected to this Google Cloud Console where you can create a Google Cloud project. To create a project, select this drop down button. I have already in my project I have many previously created projects. To create a new project, select new project and enter the project's name. The project name can be anything. After you create this new project, you will get a project ID which will be used, which you had to remember, which we can use in our future purpose, and select create. So now it will take some time to create this project. Now the project has been created. To verify that, again open that drop down button where you can see this new project has been created with a project ID credible accurate 287506. You can give any project name. Now we have successfully created a new project. Let's see about what is a Google Cloud SDK. Google Cloud SDK is nothing but when you use any Google Cloud services, and for example, if you are using Google Cloud App Engine and you want to deploy your project to Google Cloud App Engine, so we need the Google Cloud SDK to be installed in our local machine. And let's see how we can install the Google Cloud SDK in our local machine. To know how to install Google Cloud SDK, open Google and type Google Cloud SDK. And select the first URL and select Get Started button. Over here, you can select, in this page you can select the instructions for how to install the Google Cloud SDK in different environments. If you are using a Linux system, select this. If you are using any Mac OS system, select this. And if you are a Windows user, go for this. For example, let's select Quick Start for Windows. In this page, you will find a detailed description about how we can install the Google Cloud SDK. You have to download the installer and follow this instruction. While installation, you have to select the project number, project ID. You have to select your project, and you have to select the location of your project, and yeah, that's it. After successful installation, you can use this G Cloud to verify the version, to verify the installation. Open the command prompt and type G Cloud -- version. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe this channel for more videos.